In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a new user on your PlayStation 5 and switch between accounts. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But let's say you have a friend or family member who needs their own profile. From your PlayStation 5, go ahead and press that PlayStation button and find your profile picture down in the bottom right corner and open that up. From here, you're going to want to select Switch User, just like so, and scroll all the way to the left and you're going to have an option to Add User. Now here you're going to have two main options. You can add a temporary guest account or you could set up a permanent user. For this guide, obviously let's go ahead and select a permanent user. Simply go ahead and get started and read through the user agreement and accept it. And now you can either sign in with a PlayStation Network account, and now you can either sign in with an existing PlayStation Network account or create a new one. You can even scan a QR code on your phone to completely go through the entire process through that. But just enter in your email and password for either one of those options, follow the prompts, and when you're done, that new user is going to be added. You'll automatically be taken to their home screen, and from now on, you just need to go to that exact same section down here and select Switch User if you want to switch between profiles. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.